What's the other team got? There's a lot of, look at all the Prestige Masters in this lobby, dude. Like, just look at their levels.
Secure the objectives. Be advised, hostile incoming.
Took down that fire break.
Losing speed. Alpha locked down. Enemy took Charlie.
I was like, I think I was 2 off a nuclear in FFA today.
Forcer splash.
Securing Bravo. Losing
Down
Alpha.
that fire break.
B locked down.
I was trying to get like a nuked out like all day today. The closest attempt is 2
Friendly
or
UAV
2 away.
Battery. Requesting UAV support.
hostile
I mean, it's pretty easy to get one. It's just like, you have to have the right class setup. You have to have like the best gun for a suppressor. Take a break.
Confirmed.
Rolling Thunder deployed.
Yeah, I hate the pros spotters. I mean, it's pretty easy to kill them for me. Like, just my opinion.
Be advised, hostile HCXD spotted. Bravo locked down. Alpha secured.
Took down that.
Hostile UAV spotted.
KIA.
Be advised.
Yeah,
hostile
sure.
care package overhead.
I can't find their like a level 900. Like, I don't even know if he's playing, to be honest.
Hostile UAV above.
I found one of them.
Losing B. Losing
Yeah, I
Hostile
didn't think
HCXD
he would be.
AO. Losing Bravo.
My first game on with Taylor today, I went 60-5. I was like, went away from a nuke and died to, I think it was a BRM. Some guy was just chilling there with a BRM.
All locations secured. Hold your positions.
I really wish that level 900 would get kicked.
UAV. Losing A.
That way he doesn't kill me. He's already 3 and 4 when he just came back.
Counter UAV.
What the fuck?
Took down that fire break.
I can already tell that kid's gonna kill me a lot.
Good job, CDP. Do it again and let's go.